Okay, so we are going to see the assignment for the topic conditional operators. If you would like to watch the videos on this topic before you start the assignment, the links are given in the description box. Our whole team is just crazy, let me tell you. We get super excited when any of you submit an assignment. So keep up the good work and continue submitting assignments and keep making us very happy. We live for that. Even if you have errors in your code and could not get the output, you can still submit the assignments. We will correct the error and we will also send some tips that will be very useful for you to easily fix the errors the next time. So we have just seen so many videos on conditional operators and we have to see a few more topics before we can start to write really interesting games in Python. But we are very close to that. So for now, let us write a very simple code for practice. Let us say we have moved to a new city and we are going to make new friends in our area. So now we have conditions for what kind of friends we want. So let us list them here. We want our new friends to be minimum 10 years old. Because we are all growing up and we don't want to play with little children anymore. Okay? But also, we don't want our friends to be too big, like college students, correct? So let us set the maximum age as 15. So the minimum age is 10 and maximum age is 15. What else do we want? Oh, we love pets. So we want our friends who have pets at home. We would like our friends to have pets at home. Also, it will be really nice to have friends who have the same hobby that you have, correct? So then you can play together. So we are going to write the hobby, our hobby, as playing with Legos, which is my hobby. So let me just write that down. Okay, so age has to be greater than 10, friend's age has to be less than 15, friend can have many pets but at least one pet minimum, and then our hobby should be equal to our friend's hobby, or the other way around, friend's hobby should be equal to our hobby. Now let us say we met someone in our area and we want to consider if this person can become a new friend. So we are going to quickly write their information. So the age of the person is 12. Yay, it falls within 10 and 15. Pet is equal to 2. Amazing. So hobby is playing chess. Oh, we want somebody who can play Legos with us. Anyways, but now that we have this information and we already wrote the conditions, we can check if this person can be a new friend. Let's go to Python and see the code I wrote for these conditions. So now here, so these conditions are basically the conditions of my friend. So we have the details of my friend. So age is 12, pet is 2, hobbies is playing chess. And then we have our conditions, which is age has to be greater than 10, age has to be less than 15, and pet has to be greater than or equal to 1, and friend hobby should be equal to our hobby. Now her hobby is playing chess and while my hobby is playing with Legos. So I have written my hobby. Okay, so let us save the file and run the code. So the output for the first three conditions are true, but the last one is false because our hobbies are not the same. But we are still friends. So when you make friends, not all the conditions will match, but you can still be good friends for a very long time. We are just writing this code for fun and to learn conditional operators. Now, can you think of one of your friend and write their age, hobby, how many pets they have in these three variables? Now, can you write the print statements to check the output of your conditions, whether it is true or false for all the four conditions? If you want to, learn more, you can also change the conditions to check for favorite subject, favorite snack, or anything else you want to write. So I hope you enjoy writing code for this assignment. As I told you before, codePannu team will be waiting here for your assignments, and if you want to know how to submit the assignments, please click on the link which is shown on top of the video now. So please submit your assignments and I will see you soon in another very interesting topic after Diwali. If you have any questions, or if you need any help with the assignment, please leave a comment and our team will try and reply to your question. Wish you a very happy Diwali. See you soon.